chicken breasts are a bit of a classic, something that I've made for years and years and years, and quite often when family come round they say to me, oh, can you make stuffed chicken? So I've made it in various different ways. You know, there's endless amounts of stuffings that you can make inside the chicken. It's really up to you. Anything from a cream cheese and a herb, you can do mixed cheese, you can do mozzarella sun-dried tomato, you can do a spinach and ricotta centre, you can do like a sausage stuffing meat centre. You know, you choose what you want to put in these, but I'm going to show you a quick way of making them, and of course doing them in the Ninja as well. So I hope you enjoy this recipe and enjoy the video. Remember, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and let's go and cook. To make my stuffed chicken breasts, I'm going to remove that bit of fat skin that's there. And then I've covered them in some parchment paper, and I'm going to give them a good bash. The reason that I'm doing this is because I want them to be more even and a little bit flatter and wider, so I can stuff them a little bit easier. Brilliant. Let's remove that. And now let's get our little bowl here and let's create our filling. So I've got cream cheese or soft cheese, and we need to give this some good flavour. So I've got some Italian style herbs. So let's add some of that in. You can use fresh garlic or garlic granules. Obviously you can also season this with whatever you like. They don't have to have a cream cheese middle. You could put a big lump of cheddar in the middle, and when you cook that, that would ooze out. That would be really nice. A little bit of salt in there as well. So I'm not going to worry about seasoning the chicken breast because this is going in the middle of it, and this is going to be full of flavour. That smells really good already. So that is great. Now I'm going to start with the larger one. And we're just going to spoon some of this into the middle. So roughly half. Although this one is a bit bigger, isn't it? Okay. I've also got bacon here. And I'm really liking this range, the naked range. I don't know if you've used this, but I've shown you the sausages before. Now we've got the bacon to try. So this is smoked streaky bacon. It's going to give lots of flavour. Kind of got to try and wrap this and then wrap the bacon around it. So it is a little bit tricky. So like a parcel, just do the best that you can. Obviously, because it's a liquid centre, it's going to be a little bit more tricky than if you had something solid like a piece of cheddar in there. But we will do our best to wrap that round. Grab a little piece of your bacon. Now I like to go this way, hold it together as a parcel like that, and then I go this way with another piece of bacon. So I'm going to use 3 pieces per piece of chicken. There you go. That looks good to me, and that has hopefully encased as much of that filling as we possibly can. I'm going to repeat that with the other one and then show you how we're going to cook them. Let's put water in the bottom of the pot. That's 250 millilitres. And then lower in our air fryer basket with our 2 pieces of chicken wrapped in bacon. I'm just moving that one slightly just because I wanted to make sure there was space around them, because we want that bacon to go really nice and crispy. So move the slider across to the centre. That is your combi steam options. And we want steam air fry. I'm going to go with 190 for 20 minutes. The chicken has just finished. Whoa, look at that. Here comes my chicken. And I'm having it with some mash and also some tender stem broccoli.